Right now, you likely have hundreds of tiny happiness boosters stored right there on your smartphone. But do you know how to use them strategically to improve your mental health? Let me show you how. Hey everybody, it's Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, Joyful Event Photo. Take a moment to think about what were some of the best moments of your life. Vacations or birthday celebrations, weddings, the birth of a child. Now, what is one thing that almost always happens in every one of these situations? We take pictures, of course. Well, you can leverage those pictures throughout your life to bring more consistent joy and help you through those difficult times. Here's how to do it. Select one of those events and look through all the pictures that you have from that event. Find the one picture that brings out the most joy and helps you remember the event best. For instance, one of the most joyful events of my life was my wedding. Here's a picture of everyone on the dance floor. To get everyone out there, our DJ told all in attendance that everyone had to get up and dance to one particular song. And for everyone who stayed in their seats, it would give my wife and I 1 year of bad luck in our marriage. Well, we were very thankful that every single person got up to dance. Once you have your picture, you want to study it a bit and reminisce about what made the event so special and joyful to you. Bring those wonderful memories to your mind. Now, close your eyes and relive the highlights of the event by using those imagery skills we've developed in past videos. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, taste? What emotions did you experience? Immerse yourself in that event completely. This is such a great technique to just sprinkle a little bit of extra joy into our day and to remind ourselves of the good times when we're going through difficult ones. This week, I encourage you to try out this technique with a different picture each day. Well, that's your mental fitness technique of the week, Joyful Event Photo.